Hey, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing headlights on the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, but this can go for all models from 2011, some say 17, some say 19. So that's what we're doing today. If you can tell right here, one side is a little dimmer than the other side. So we're gonna make a match and hopefully a lot brighter. All right, guys, appreciate it. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking at. This side, decent, but a little dim. This side is really bad. You can kind of see, but you really can't. So that's what we're doing today. At this side, I know you can take this out and a couple other things, and you can go in through there because I believe it's right in, yeah, right in there. Okay, so that's what, but there's also, one on this side too, if that's the way, we need to go. But all right, guys, what we're gonna do is take this. We're gonna try this. Let's take this off. Well, I guess that's one piece. So. All right, let's see. Take this off. This little piece right here off. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Yep, brand new air filter, which is good. This piece right here should just get it all untangled. Should just slide. There might be a hopefully that goes in better than it came out. Let's set that down. And okay, now what we're doing is you have this right here. Yeah, this little piece right here. So it's got all of our information on the back of it. We have to take that out. We just got to take it, I know this is difficult, but I got to take it out of that sleeve right there and see what we can do. So this right here, it just slides out of that sleeve. Now this right here, I guess these are HIDs, Xeons. So these might be a little different than what you have. But yeah, if these are the ones that you have and you need, then that's it. And where they go, see if I can get you down there. Let's see if we can get, yeah, right in there. See this plug? Yeah, right here. And yeah, see that little grab thing? Well, if you can see it. Man, this is not going well. But anyway, that little grab thing in there, that's what holds it in. And there's a little twist tab. There's a little twist tab right in there too. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, there's a little twist tab. Let's see if it focus. Focus. There's a little twist tab in there. So now we're gonna put this back in. Now this is where the gloves come in. You do not. This bulb right here is $100. Well, this bulb is actually $99.99. But I took the original ones back, which were $57.99. So that made me only had to pay like 40, probably $49 or whatever. But these bulbs, they're D1S HIDs, and they're 99. They're $100, $99.99. So they're $100, and that's just for one. So that's why you want to use the gloves. So, and what really hurts the bulb is when you have oil. Well, not when you have, but you do have. Everybody has oil in their fingers. And the oil is what messes up the bulb. So, let's get in here. All right. And you see, I've already taken this one out. And everything that the auto parts or wherever you go, everything they need is actually on this that you take out. So, and this right here, you don't want to touch this or this with your fingers. Well, actually, I need to probably try to get this plastic piece. See that plastic piece right there? When you take this out, make sure that comes out, because you don't want to put this one in on top of that one. So that's what we need to look for. And I probably shouldn't have put my glove on. Until I got that out. So let's take this off, because it's metal in there, and I don't want to rip. I want to rip these gloves. There we go. There we go. Okay. Sit that right there. We'll use this hand. Hey, get over here. And I don't feel it. So maybe it's not. Okay, what you want to do is, see that right there? That's where it's going into. All up in there. So, and there's your plug right there. So just don't touch it. Just don't touch it with your fingers. And you should be all right. So let's take this one out. I didn't put my other glove on. And I'm going to need that hand. So put my glove back on. Well, that wasn't easy. Let's turn them on, see how it done. Okay. Well, at least it is brighter. Yeah. So I guess that will work for a minute. I think I want to go brighter though. We'll come out at nighttime and see what it really does. But yeah, but this was not easy. You got to put that little rubber cover back over it, and guess you're done. Just have to, you know, put all your air box back in. All this stuff's got to go back in. That's got to go in first. Well, I mean, I guess I better turn my headlights off. But yeah, it's brighter. I mean, because it was almost dead, as you seen in the beginning of the video. So that's it. All right, guys. Well, that's what we was looking for right there. Now they kind of match. See that? I think I might come back out when it gets a little darker and see what they look like after that. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all the love. Yeah, I'm here for you. All right, guys. If you need anything, get down in the comments. Let me know. All right. Be good to yourself, and please be good to others. All right.